How to enable and disable liquid glass on iPhone running on iOS 26. This is a new feature on iPhone. So liquid glass is the kind of new feature that is added to iPhone that makes your iPhone looks beautiful when you enable it. So this video I'll guide you on how to enable or disable liquid glass on your iPhone. So go ahead and tap on the settings icon, then scroll up until you get to display and brightness. Tap on it. Now scroll up a bit until you get to liquid glass. You can see it here. Tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have two options here. Then take a look at what you see here, the trash bin, the file, and the back button. If you tap on clear, you can see that there is a little changes here, and choose your preferred look for liquid glass. Clear is more transparent, revealing the content beneath. Tinted increase opacity and add more contrast. So you can see. So take a look at what you see here. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to enable and disable liquid glass on your iPhone running on iOS 26. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.